Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will about how to fix geometry dash not opening on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have close the app and reinstall restart. So then you have open the while you have geometry dash on your iPhone. So you have closing and restarting an app is one of the things you can do to get geometry dash open again, to close app on an iPhone. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone will refresh the software it is running on, and if the software it is being running on is preventing geometry dash from opening. Restarting your iPhone might get rid of it, which could fix the problem you are experiencing. Usually when apps do not open on your iPhone, there's a big or glitch that's guessing it is not to open. Then third solution, you have check your internet connection. If you have not got an internet connection, then it might stop geometry dash from opening. Although your internet connection does not typically stop apps for opening, sometimes when you do not have a strong internet connection, it can cause opening. Sometimes you have app to close once they have been opened. You need to check that both your Wi-Fi and data is enabled, so that geometry dash can find a stable connection. Then fourth solution, you have update the app. You will be able to effectively resolve the issue of geometry dash not launching on your iPhone once you can have updated your geometry dash on your iPhone. So then you have open the app store, search the geometry dash is update available on your iPhone. So then you must be installed, and then your problem will be fixed. Then last solution, you have reset all setting. The next thing that you should do to try for uh, reset all settings on your iPhone, get rid of any glitches that could be stopping geometry dash from opening, is the reset all settings. Open the setting, click on general. So you have scroll up, then you click on transfer or reset all settings. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.